Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a haul for you. So I did some shopping the other day at Sephora and Ulta, so I thought I would show you what I picked up. I also did pick something very exciting up. Let me show you. Finally bought myself a camera. This is the Sony a5-100. So pretty soon I'll be using this for editing and recording my videos. I'm just in the process of finding a good laptop, so stay tuned. I'm really excited. Right now I'm just using my iPhone 7s, so really excited for this. This was a big girl purchase for me, and the thing I love about it is the camera has a viewfinder up here, so when I'm recording I can make sure that I'm looking at myself. So anyways, just want to shout that out. Sony a5-100, super cute. I got mine at Best Buy. This is, from what I've heard, a really good beginner's camera for YouTube, so we'll see how it goes. But moving on to the video, I have a big haul for you. I got a few things from Sephora and a lot of stuff from Ulta, so if you love haul videos, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just jump right into it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start with Sephora first because I do have two little baggies. I went to two separate Sephora stores. I went to the main one that we have where I'm from, and I just went to the one in the mall area because I had a $25 gift card towards JCPenney, and so that would only apply there. So I'm going to start off with this little baby bag right here. Also, did you know that Sephora has a credit card now? Like, I did not know that. So I signed up for one. I haven't used it yet, but I was just shocked because Ulta has one, so now I'm really happy that Sephora has one because that place is super expensive, so I don't know. I'm crazy. But yeah, so we're gonna go into this baggie. So with this little baggie, this is the stuff I purchased at JCPenney. I just got two items because I did have a $25 gift card to apply towards it. So I decided to pick up this Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Sculpting Concealer. I got mine in the shade Swan. And I've never tried the Born This Way concealer ever, but I remember how much I love the foundation, so I'm really excited to pick this up. Then the next thing I got is this BOSCIA Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. And this looked really cool to me. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what the bottle looks like. Kind of matches my shirt. So yeah, this is supposed to help break up your makeup before you like do the whole skincare routine. So this would probably be my first step. And yeah, I'm really curious to see if it really does take off all of my makeup, even waterproof as well. All products will be listed down below, so in case you guys are wondering, you guys can find it down there. But yeah, so moving on to the next Sephora bag. Got a few things here. And as you can see, I signed up for the credit card. So this will be mailed to me within 10 days or so, but it's really cute. It's like a nice, sleek, black Sephora card. So the first things I picked up from Sephora is some hair care products. So the first thing I got is this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from DRYBAR. And I was just in search of a good detangler because my hair is like super tangly, super frizzy, and on top of that it's colored. So I needed something that will really help me out. And I really did enjoy this. It has a really nice scent to it. I used it today on my hair. Yeah, this is really good before styling your hair. So I really do like this so far. I have used it just now. I don't know how to describe the scent, but it literally smells like you're in a salon. So that's what I like. It smells so good. And it made my hair super soft when I straightened it. And it makes my hair look even like more healthier. So really digging this product. The other hair care product I picked up is this Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I used this last night before I went to bed, and same thing, it looks like it's working pretty well. So it made my hair easier to comb through because it's literally like a hassle. So any type of help, this seems to be doing something, so I'm going to keep playing with it, but so far so good. Next thing I got is this Glamglow Glowsetter Makeup Setting Spray. I see ShanXO always talking about this setting spray and talking about how it's like her holy grail. So I finally decided to pick it up. And you guys know I love my setting sprays, so always have to get a new one. And I really like this bottle. It's like really nice and hot pink. So I can't wait to try this baby out. And then I picked up another face mist. This is the last thing from my Sephora haul. This is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. This was a hefty penny, but I was just so curious about it, you know. I just love setting sprays. I don't know what to say. Like, I'm a setting spray fiend, and this is what the bottle looks like. It's nice and heavy too. It's supposed to give you like a dewy, fresh look, and that's what I like. So, love it. It has 8.4 fluid ounces, and this did retail for $44. So, that is pretty expensive for a setting spray, but I just really wanted this really bad, and I never really try anything from Sephora. I'm always like getting the drugstore stuff. So today was my day to splurge. So I'm really excited to try this out. Alright guys, moving on to my Ulta bag. So the reason I went shopping at Ulta is because with their Ulta app, they do have like little promotions, like 5 times the points on certain products, or if you're like a platinum member, so you get like 5 times the points on every purchase. So I got an email saying that I had 5 times the points for my 7-year anniversary, and it's only for like a couple days, so I wanted to take advantage of that because 5 times the points on like everything you purchase, that's a lot of money back in the point system. So I already used up all my points from my previous haul, so I had none to begin with, and at the end of this transaction I ended up with 1,600 points, which is equivalent to $70.50, I believe. So I can use that towards my next purchase at Ulta. So that's what I love about shopping at Ulta, is their point system. So keep that in mind. Download their app. I love it. And they always like have something going on. They have like their hot summer sale. They have like 50% off of like a lot of like high-end stuff. And since this week was like National Lipstick Week, a lot of the products I picked up were like buy one get one free because it was like part of the National Lipstick promotion. Let's just dive into this bag. And I kind of do it by section so that way it's easier to go through. So I'm going to start off with eyeshadow palettes. The first one I picked up is this Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. And if you guys saw in my recent Ulta haul, I picked up a lot of these except for this one. So this completes my collection, and they are currently on sale for $10 instead of $15. So that was a steal. Let me show you what it looks like. I've used one of their palettes in one of my videos. I'll link that down below for you guys to check out. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's like a galaxy type packaging, super pretty. Oh my gosh. And this is what the shadows look like. So gorgeous. So for only $10, you can get this palette. But it's regularly $15, which is still not a bad deal, but I like to get Makeup Revolution whenever it's on sale. So that's the first thing I picked up. Next up, I picked up 2 of these Milani Gilded like palettes. I got the Gilded Rouge and the Gilded Noir. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Noir. And these are originally $20 and they were on sale for $11.99. So I'm not too sure how long this promotion is going to go for. But let me show you what these palettes look like. I've never owned a Milani palette, and I see so many people talking about how great it is, so I had to get it. So this is what the Gilded Rouge palette looks like. That's what the palette looks like. Very cute. You get 16 shadows, so that's not bad at all. I'm not too sure about the formula, but I'll be using these in some upcoming videos coming soon. I'm just like a palette whore. I just literally decluttered a lot of palettes, and now I'm just buying a lot more. I guess that's just how it goes, you know? So this is what the Gilded Noir palette looks like. Very nice packaging. I love it. Ooh. And this is what these shadows look like for this palette. So I'm really excited to play with these. I can't wait to see what kind of looks I can create with them. Last palette I picked up is the Juvia's Place The Warrior 2. I only own one Juvia's palette so far, so I wanted to add another one to my collection. This one I believe retailed for $20. Like I said, I'll leave everything down below. This is what that package looks like. Super gorgeous. And oh my god, these are all matte shadows. Like, can we talk about it? Like, so pretty. Moving on, I picked up 2 of the Morphe setting sprays. I've never tried these setting sprays, but I see so many people using it once again. And these were on sale for 2 for $22. So I thought that was a steal because these each retail for $16, I believe. So I saved $10 on that. Also picked up some new stuff from Too Faced. I've never seen these yet. These are the Too Faced Hangover RX Good in Bed Ultra Replenishing Hydrating Serum. And I love their primer and their like setting spray that they have for the Hangover line. And this one was just screaming at me because obviously Hydrating Serum, and the packaging is super, super cute. And I did test it out on my hand. It's so hydrating. I cannot wait to play with this on my face. Anything hydrating, I'm all about. And the other thing I picked up is the Too Faced Hangover RX Good to Go Skin Protecting SPF 25 Moisturizer. I'm excited to try a new moisturizer, and I just love the Too Faced line. I will never, ever stay away from them. Good stuff. Next few things I picked up is again from Too Faced. For part of their National Lipstick Week, Too Faced was part of a buy one get one free, so I decided to pick up 2 of their like peach oils, and I got one in the shade, I got this one in the shade Peach Slice, and this one in the shade Peach Fuzz. And I'll show you some swatches. Never tried any lip oils before, so that was interesting to me. And it was buy one get one free, so I can't get over that. And the packaging is super, super cute. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it has like a little peach at the top. So this one right here is in the shade Peachsicle. It's just supposed to be a lip oil, so it's nothing too special. So I stuck to the nudes. So that is Peachsicle. Smell really good. It's like candy. Next up we have Peach Fuzz, which is a more muted peachy shade. And I'll just do it side by side. Yeah, this is more of like a very nude peachy shade. Smells so good. So there is Peach Fuzz, and then there is Peachsicle. So it kind of gives you an idea of what they look like. Ugh, can't wait to try these out. It looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. I got my hands on the new Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. I got mine in the shade 31NN, and I also did pick up the concealer in the shade 30NN. So I'll just show you the packaging. I'm not going to swatch them or anything because I want to have like a first impressions video on this. Have like a little wear test. And so this is what the concealer packaging looks like. Very cute and sleek. And I honestly haven't used Urban Decay foundation in a hot minute. The last foundation I ever remember using from them was the All Nighter, and that was like years ago. So I'm really excited. And this is what the foundation looks like. Very cool packaging. Interesting. So yeah, I got mine in the shade 31NN because I am a little bit darker at the moment, so I feel like this would be a good summer shade for me, so I'm definitely going to keep use of this for the summer. Picked up some more lip glosses. This is from Milani, and these are the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumpers. I already have one of them as we speak, and I'm obsessed with this. I'll show you what I have. So the one I'm actually wearing on my lips right now as a gloss topper, this is this one right here. This one is in the shade Moonlight, and I really like this because it's like white, but it also has like a reflect of like pink and purple in there. So it's a really nice topper, and I really like the formula of this. I don't really notice it like lip plumping or anything. That's totally fine, but the claims, I don't know. But I really do like it, so I wanted to get some nude shades. So I got one in the shade Soft Rose, and then I got this pinky one in the shade Pink Quartz. I also picked up some Pro Brow Trim and Shape like shavers from Ardell. I just needed something on the go so that way I can clean up my brows whenever, because my brows tend to grow so fast, especially like underneath. So I just want to make sure I have this as a backup. I also got my hands on some more of the LA Girl Shockwave liners, which I'm obsessed with. I do have a review video. I'll leave that down below for you guys. Anyways, I got the shade Blackout, just a straight up black. I love how creamy the formula is and how pigmented these are. And these are so freaking dirt cheap. I think this was like $2.50 or something. It's really cheap. And then I got this electric blue shade in the shade Electric, and it's just a nice dark blue. So I really do like these eyeliners. I definitely recommend them. Again, like I said, I'll leave the review down below if you guys have like some more like questions or you guys want to see how it applies. I have that all down there for you. And the last 2 items I picked up, I decided to pick up a new pair of lashes. These are the Ardell Double Up 113. So they're like very flirty, fluffy, dramatic lashes. And then I just picked up some Duo Glue. So this is the one in the black. I like that one. So yeah, so stick around for some videos coming soon. I just literally want to try out all that makeup on my face. So that completes my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. And I'm like so excited to use this camera pretty soon, so better content will be coming. But I really hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!